G'day, Pimble here. This is a Kromer convar, which is a pretty cool and relatively, it's got a fairly complex change mechanism on it. So this is obviously the current key, which in itself is a bit of a classic Kromer, so it's double bitted with an undercut. And well, the bottom is really just for tensioning, but so the fence has got points on it that catch in every one of these serrations. Can't really call them false gates, I guess, but and these look like serrations, but they're the gears which interface obviously with these circular parts. These are fixed packs, so you can't individually take the bitting lever. No, they're not bitting levers; they're universal, but the levers or the parts off. But the key change mechanism, I think, is actually pretty well made. Well, so firstly, if you insert the current key, I haven't actually tried it with blank bitting, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. Although, anyway, you got to turn the current key around toward the 180 degree position, and you actually end up continuing on to the 180, not turning it back. And you insert this and turn anti-clockwise, which splits the packs, but also latches and then prevents this from, well, now that it's in this configuration, when you turn it back, if for example you'd put in a new key, we can do that with this one, which is actually bitted differently. As you turn it back, it drops into a second state, that bit, which clips that along and prevents this lever pack here from engaging fully with this, and that's because you need to remove the change key to complete the operation, so you're locked into that part of this key change process. Then when you release the change key and turn it back, well, at that point it's just joining the packs back together, so that's part of that rekeying process. So the change key splits the packs, catches a lever, allows that to travel, and then when you're turning it back, it captures it in a second state that doesn't allow it to come together until and not just because you've got the change key, it's actually got an interlock in there. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And so now this key is operational, and the one previous key isn't. So there you go. Kromer convar.